A month and 3 weeks prior, I had taken this picture to show just how good it was coming into bloom, and then disaster did strike. Well, had a bit of situation. A tree fell on my prized peach tree. It's got a good 8-inch base. I planted it about 10, 12 years ago. And I am gonna try to save it. Sometimes impossible things that seem impossible can happen. Okay, I'm getting me some supplies together. Having to pull this piece and push this piece because it's leaning a little bit. I'm going to try to get them to meet back where these close as possible, perfectly aligned. Okay, got them back together as close as I could get it. I found a bargain on this baling twine years ago, $5 a roll. And I bought 2 rolls, but I use it for a lot of stuff. Today is May 12th, 2025. Gonna give this a few weeks, maybe a few months, and we're gonna see what happens. Rules are made to be broken. They say you can't do this. At least that's what I'm hearing, but I'm gonna do it anyways. What else do I have to lose? I have my peach tree to lose. I don't want to lose it. I'm gonna apply some of this to this crack here. I'm not a tree professional. I'm just a guy that likes to eat peaches, and we're gonna try to save this peach tree. I'm going to wrap the you-know-what out of this with this string here to try to free up my clamp. I don't want to leave my prized clamp here. That's a big one. I think it's a 10 or 12 inch. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it a few more times here. All right, I got it wrapped 3 really good times, multiple times, really strong. It's starting to rain out here and thunder and lightning around me, so that's my call sign to go ahead and stop for lunch. Gonna make a few splints out of some twigs. It's getting there, getting quite a bit of the pruning seal. If you see it there, the black sections where I sprayed them. It's starting to dry, it's harder to see, but pieced it back together. It's getting close. Well, it's starting to look like a tree again. We'll know here in a few months how it does. The old 6-foot, got the 12-footer. I used to have a 16-foot 2-man fiberglass step ladder. You want to talk about heavy? It was heavy. It was heavy. No joke. Okay, looks like I about got it. I'm going to spray it down for bugs. Got some 7 here. Got some ortho, and because those bugs are going to go straight for all those cuts, and they love peach trees. I've been spraying it down real good already. Just want to get it real good. Up on this 12-foot ladder here. A pretty good little reach with this little bottle of ortho. Okay, that's a wrap for now. I've gone through here and trimmed all through. I've wrapped, banded, and glued. Pretty much how if you cut yourself, you know, you've got that stuff called new skin, and I would say this is probably similar. We'll call it new tree skin, right? So we'll check back here in a couple months,